Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Renata. Thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate you guys taking time to check in and see what the content is. Today I'm sharing on my second Friday Sews video, so yay! I did it back-to-back videos. Hopefully this one gets uploaded before midnight. I think last week's video went up at 12:02, so technically it was Saturday morning, but we're gonna say it's Friday. And let us just jump into it. For those of you that aren't aware of the Friday Sew tag, it's basically sewists sharing their projects or anything that they've sewn in the last week and then what they plan to do. It's more like a sew chat, and you're just sharing things that are going on with you during the week and then your hopes and your plans for the upcoming week and a little bit of life sprinkled in there. So this is my second time sharing this tag, and I'm very happy and proud of myself because I wasn't sure I would be in front of the camera today because work this week was not my friend. The work for the last few weeks has been very stressful for me, and it's just been work. I'm not going to say anything else except I'm glad today is Friday. So let us talk about projects. If you saw the first one, you guys know that I'm pretty much doing these freestyle, not really having any points to hit, but kind of having an idea of what I want to share. So this video is basically all my plans for next week's sewing and sharing with you if I did any sewing this week. And clearly I didn't do much sewing this week. I really didn't. You guys know that I am actually working on a pattern test. So what I did for that code was basically some of the hand stitching work on it. And then tomorrow I'm going to probably start attacking it, because once I'm done with all the hand stitching on that code, it's going to be really fast, hopefully, to put together, and that is actually what I plan to do tomorrow. Regarding video editing and such, not much. What is going on? I have yet another dinner party to go to this afternoon. The kids and I, well, the entire clan, we're going to visit one of our friends. She's having us over, so we're going to enjoy some good food and just some friend time. It's been a while. I don't think we've hung out for a few months, and we're finally doing that, so I'm pretty excited, and everyone is really excited to get out. Last week we went to dinner and that was fun, and I think we're doing a lot more of that these days, so I'm feeling really excited about the spring season and spring sewing. I wanted to just remind you guys that I did decide to go with the poppy dress from Mood Fabric for the frugal, I should know this, right? Frugal frocks. Yes, gosh, what is wrong with me? Yes, for the frugal frock challenge, I am going with the poppy dress from Mood. So I'm going to print that and get it all taped up this week. I did not finish my February makes video. I didn't get time to record that. There was a lot going on last weekend, so hopefully I could get it recorded tomorrow morning. I am an early riser. My husband is not, and he is not an early riser on the weekends. It's hard for him to wake early on regular days, and yeah, I like to get up early and get my stuff done and just relax. So I'm going to have to like get him to do it so I can record those videos. I have an idea of where I want to do those videos, and I need to go early because you guys know it's that cami and that pajama style thing that I want to record, and so I have to make sure no one is in the public vicinity when we record that video. So hopefully my husband says yes and we can do it early in the morning tomorrow, and by maybe by 3 o'clock on Saturday, I should start editing, and hopefully I can upload it on Sunday. I really like to upload my videos on Sunday, and that is not always the case most times, but I've been doing so much better in this year, and I'm really excited for all that I have to share with you. So those are the things on my to-do list this weekend. I really want to complete the recording of those 2 360 where I basically share the entire look, the twirls of my project. I haven't done that yet for the month of February, so that's my goal. And then attacking my coat. Yes, I know I said that last week, but I'm really gonna do it this weekend. And then downloading and printing the poppy dress. If I am going on memory, I'm pretty sure I already have the poppy and I just need to print it, because I have like 7 or 8 files from Mood where I was just like, oh yeah, I like this one, click. I like that one, click. I like that one, download right now into Renata's inbox. So I'm gonna double check that it's in there and get it printed. I also have another pattern test that I'm working on. So to date, I have a coat pattern test that I'm working on. There's a blouse pattern test, which I am going to print right after this video. Then there is a jumper pattern test, a jogger pattern test, and then there was another, like a hoodie pattern test. So I have 5 pattern tests. So I'm really stretching myself with all the other things that I have going on in my life. So somebody say a prayer for me, because I need everything to get these things done. I am going to also work on the Bakerloo this week. I don't know, I keep saying I'm doing all these things, so hopefully I can find some sort of success in the month of March. I know it's the 12th, so bear with me. My makes video for this month is probably going to come out like the first week in April or just midweek, and maybe I'll just start planning like all my makes video will just hit in the middle of the month. That makes it a lot easier for me, less stress. I can work on getting other things done. And if you guys have been following my color series, I am on week 4 of that color series. I've already written the blog. I just need some time to actually sit down and record that video, because I have so much amazing content, inspiration, pattern, and fabrics that I pulled together off the internet to share with those colors, and I'm just excited to sit down and chat about those. So hopefully I can find some time to get that done. That is it. Yes, that is it. I'm pretty sure those are all that I have going on this week and for next week. Yes, I feel like I'm pretty much exhausted when I'm done recording these videos, because I have so many places to be and so much things to do. But I just want to get out here, get the content out, and hopefully as we get a little more normal, I'll have a little more time to actually sit down and chat with you guys. I'm going to finish up some other projects before I head out to the dinner date. So thank you a lot for watching this video. I really do appreciate you guys taking time to check out this video, as well as all the other sewists that are partaking in the hashtag Fridays. So thank you again. Have a wonderful day, and we will talk soon. Bye-bye. Last week I told you guys about my pattern testing, and I was working on a coat. So what I did this week, because I had no time, I just kind of sat down and did the preparation of the coat. As the pattern stated, you have to do a lot of hand stitching, and I did all of that. We'll have to finish this some other day, because I think I have enough content, and Brad can come in and do his stuff.